Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to automate Google Business Profile review replies based on ratings with ChatGPT. So here I'm running my business and I've added my business on Google Business Profile. Now what I want is that as I'm receiving a lot of reviews, I automatically want to reply to the reviews who has greater rating than 3 star. So I'm considering 3 star as a positive review, and now what I want to do is I automatically want to generate the reply for these reviews by using ChatGPT. So I want to successfully generate these replies by using ChatGPT, and I want to post that back on my Google Business Profile. So for my objective, what I need to do is I need to build a connection between Google Business Profile and OpenAI or ChatGPT. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new review on my Google Business Profile, then automatically I'm going to generate the reply for that review by using ChatGPT, and after generating that reply, I'm going to post that back on my Google Business Profile. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can automate Google Business Profile review replies based on ratings with ChatGPT. So imagine here I run a business or a restaurant and I frequently receive customer reviews on my Google Business Profile, and responding manually to each review, especially when they vary from 1 star to 5 star, can be time consuming, and I want to automate personalized replies based on the rating given by the customers. And this will ensure that positive reviews get gratitude and negative reviews get a helpful response. So by using Pabbly Connect and ChatGPT, I can automatically generate and post relevant and thoughtful replies based on the star ratings in each review. So here what I want is that I only want to give replies to the reviews who has the rating more than 3 star. So I will consider this rating as a positive review, and I'm going to generate this reply for the positive review by using ChatGPT. Here you can also generate the reply for the negative reviews too, but here I'm only going to do this for the positive reply. So here what I want to do is I want to automatically generate reply for the positive reviews that I'm getting on my Google Business Profile. And I'm going to generate these replies automatically by using ChatGPT. So here I'm simply going to build a connection between Google Business Profile and ChatGPT, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration, and I'm going to simply build this connection between these two applications without any coding and programming skills. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in my landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to automate Google Business Profile review replies based on rating using ChatGPT. And now what I need to do is I need to click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window for our workflow. Here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So we need to first set up my trigger, and here in our workflow, we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So for setting up my trigger, I need to first search for my trigger application, and here in my trigger application, I'm going to use Google Business Profile. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Google Business Profile here. Now I have to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab. A new review will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Google Business Profile with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection. And now I need to sign in with Google. So I'm going to click here. And now I need to click on Continue to give access to my account. So I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected Google Business Profile with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my account and the location name. So here I only have one account, that is of Parampara, so I have selected that, and now I need to select my location name. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to use this location of Parampara. So this is my location or my business name, so I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to take you to my Google Business Profile first. And here in my Google Business Profile, I need to scroll down. And in this, I have all these reviews. So I'm going to first click on this View All Google Reviews button. And here on reviews, we can see this is my newest review that I have just got that says wonderful collection. And I have the star rating of 4 stars. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my review that I have received on my Google Business Profile. And this is the review of my latest review that I had on my Google Business Profile. So here this is the comment or the review that says wonderful collection. This is the displayer name who has reviewed on my profile, that is Shrestha Upadhyay. I have the star rating, that is 4 star. And here I have received all these details. Now here I have received all these details of my review, but if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry, because this is a polling based response and within the 8 hours you are going to receive this response from Google Business Profile. So this 8 hours are the polling time of Google Business Profile, and now within this 8 hours what is going to happen is that as we are going to receive new reviews on our Google Business Profile, then automatically it is going to start processing those reviews, and within the 8 hours it is going to send the data of that reviews to Pabbly Connect. So in every 8 hours, it is going to start processing the new reviews and it is going to keep sending the response of those reviews to Pabbly Connect. So here I have received the response of the latest review that I have received on my profile, and here this is my review. Now here we can see that I have received the star rating which is greater than 3. So this is a positive review, and for all the reviews I want to set up a condition or a filter that I only want to reply to the reviews who has the star rating greater than 3. So for doing that, what I need to do is I need to first set up my Actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in my Actions tab, I'm going to use Filter by Pabbly. So I'm going to select Filter by Pabbly here. And now I have to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and filter values will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect Filter by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on Connect. And now I need to set up my filter. So for setting up my filter, what I need to do is I need to first select my label, filter type and the value. So in the label, I'm going to use my star rating, and for that I need to open this tab. I will open this response of Google Business Profile, and here this is my star rating, so I'm going to map this. Now I need to give my filter type, so I'm going to open this tab, and here I'm going to use greater than, so I'm going to select this, and now I need to give the value. Now in the value I'm going to type 3. And here this is my star rating that I'm considering as a positive review. So what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new review from my Google Business Profile, and if in that review I'm having a star rating that is greater than 3, then it will consider that as a positive review. And as I'm going to receive a positive review from my Google Business Profile, then automatically by using ChatGPT, I can generate the reply for that review and I can post that on my Google Business Profile. So here I have set up my filter and I have added the values. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. So I'm going to click here. And here we can see I have received the status. So the status says success and I have the message that is condition is true. So this means that my review is positive and I can generate the reply by using ChatGPT. Now as I have set up my filter, I'm going to add one more Actions tab. And here in this Actions tab, I'm going to use OpenAI. So I'm going to search for that. I'm going to select OpenAI, and now I need to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and ChatGPT will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to connect OpenAI with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection, and now what I need to do is I need to give my token, and this token is going to be my API key that I'm going to generate in my OpenAI account. And as I'm going to generate that token, I can connect OpenAI with Pabbly Connect and I can use ChatGPT for generating the reply for my Google Business Profile review. So for generating this token, what I need to do is I need to visit my OpenAI API keys page. And for this, let me take you to my OpenAI account. And here in this, I need to go to API keys. And now in API keys, I need to create a new secret key. So I'm going to click on this create new secret key button. And now I need to give the name of my key. So the name will be Google Business Profile Reviews. And now I'm going to click on create secret key button. Now here it has generated the secret key. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that secret key here in this tab of token. So I have pasted my secret key. Now I'm going to click on save. And I have connected OpenAI with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my AI model. So I'm going to open this tab and here I'm going to use this model of GPT-4. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to give my prompt that I'm going to use for generating the reply for my positive reviews. So here I'm going to type my prompt and that will be create a reply for my Google Business Profile review which has the details, like I'm going to add the detail like the rating and the review. Do not add any extra details or any special tags. So this is going to be my prompt and now what I need to do is I need to give the rating and my review. So here for that what I need to do is I need to use my response from my Google Business Profile and I need to map those details here in this prompt. So for that I'm going to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here, I will give a space, I'm going to open this response of Google Business Profile and here this is my star rating that is 4, so I'm going to map this. Similarly I'm going to give my review, so I'm going to click here, I will open this response of Google Business Profile. And here this is the comment or my review, so I'm going to map this. And now I have mapped all the required details and I have made these details dynamic. So what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new review from my Google Business Profile, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. So every time I'm going to receive a new positive review from my Google Business Profile, then automatically it will generate the reply for the new reviews in the real time. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quiz button. Now here we can see I have received this response and this is a positive response, and also in this response I have this message content. So I'm going to expand this tab and here in this tab we can see I have my content that I've generated as a reply to the positive review. So here the reply is, hi there, we are thrilled to receive a 4-star rating from you and to know that you appreciated our collection. It's always great when our customers find what they are looking for at our store. Looking forward to providing you with more wonderful collections in the future. Thank you again, best regards. So this is the reply that I have generated by using ChatGPT. And now what I need to do is that as I have generated my reply, I want to post that as a reply to the review that I have received on my Google Business Profile. So for replying to my review, what I need to do is I need to add my last actions tab. And here again, I'm going to use Google Business Profile. So I'm going to search for that. I'm going to select Google Business Profile again. And now I have to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And here create reply will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to connect Google Business Profile with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. And I'm going to use this existing connection as I've already built this connection between Google Business Profile and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on save. And now what I need to do is I need to fill these details to create my reply in my review in Google Business Profile. So first I need to give my review name and I need to map this review name from my review that I've received in my trigger response. So for that I need to first toggle on this map button. And now I need to click here. I will open my first response of Google Business Profile. And in this I have my review name. So I'm going to map this. And here you need to map the review ID with the name. And your review ID is going to be in this format, which has to have an account, review ID, location, and the reviews. So here I have added the review name. Now what I need to do is I need to map my reply. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to open this response of OpenAI. And here this is my message content. So I'm going to map this. And I have mapped my reply. Now I have mapped all the required details. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quiz button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have created a new reply or a new comment on my review that I have received as a positive review from Google Business Profile. So to check whether I've created a new reply in my Google Business Profile or not, I'm going to take you to Google Business Profile and I'm going to again click on View All Google Reviews. And now in this review of Shrishta Upadhyay, we can see this was my review that has star rating of 4 and I have the review that says wonderful collection. And in this review, we can see I've created a new reply. So I'm going to open my reply here. And here this is my reply that says, hi there, we are thrilled to receive a 4-star rating from you and to know that you appreciated our collection. It's always great when our customers find what they are looking for at the store. Looking forward to providing you with more wonderful collections in the future. Thank you again. Best regards. So here we can see I've generated this reply by using ChatGPT, and automatically as I've generated that reply, I have posted that on my Google Business Profile review that I've received as a positive review from my customer. So here, as I'm going to receive a positive review that has star rating greater than 3, then automatically I'm going to generate a reply to that positive review. And as I'm going to generate the reply by using ChatGPT, I can automatically post that on that review as a comment. So here I have done this automatically by setting up this automation between Google Business Profile and ChatGPT, and I have done this with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have successfully connected Google Business Profile and ChatGPT to automate Google Business Profile review replies based on ratings. And I have generated this by using ChatGPT. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Google Business Profile, and my trigger event was new review. Then I have set up my filter, and here I have used my filter to filter out the reviews that are positive and negative. And as I'm receiving the positive review, then automatically I'm generating reply by using OpenAI. And after generating the reply, I'm posting that back on my Google Business Profile by creating a reply. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.